What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Kicking It with the Grinch. Hey, Kicking It with the Grinch. Hey, Kicking It with the Grinch. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So, you guys, if you're new to the channel, what's up? My name is Shay. How you guys doing? Let me take this ponytail in my head if I can look presentable. What's up, you guys? If you're new to my channel, my name is Shay. Mama sits over here. You know, we do it every day. I mean, we here to, you know, do a little cook with me. That's how my son would talk. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back over here in Grantville and kicking it with us. So today, guys, we're gonna be doing a cook with me. So this video, it is inspired. Yes, you can see you.
I was gonna put this in your ear, but I was like, dang.
This video is inspired by my girl Jennifer. You feel me?
Jennifer, we're going over.
Say, Jennifer, you're first. I know you playing games. I know that's how you are. Yeah, all that. Jennifer from Meadows Crew. It's Meadows Crew 6. I'll put it down below. I didn't know her as Jenny from the block, you feel me? Don't be fooled by the rocks that I got. Hey, I'm still Jenny from my block. Hey.
15 minutes.
What? Shut up. Hater. There's a hater on the line. Let me blow that one more time. God. They know I talk a lot. All I do is talk around my mouth. But anyway, I got inspired by this video. I watched her video. She made some chicken and shrimp Alfredo. Just like, might as well make this for tomorrow dinner. So here we go. So let me stop all that talking because KICKN said I talk too much. Yeah, you know what I'm telling you. Rain, good rain.
My life wasn't perfect, yeah, I know that now. When it came crashing down, all I know is I need you around. When it comes crashing down, all I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, you can give me everything I want. Everything I want. My heart and spirit always dance and sing. You're captivating me. All I need is to know that I'm in your heart and never be apart. All I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby. I can give you everything you want. Everything you want.
That's what I'm saying. Too much. Hold on if I stir this up, sir.
You're all I need. And I know everything will be alright. Wanna go now. Take me to your paradise, yeah.
Dinner is served, and like I always say, and all my DTOs, don't be a stranger, be a friend.
It's crazy.